Yo homes, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial, and in this one I'll teach you how to use the popular duotone effect in Photoshop. In case you didn't know, duotone is an effect in which the composition is entirely composed in two colors. It's a bit different from monochrome because the two colors can be of different hues here. It's one of the trends it's one of my favorite trends, and it has been trending since 2017, and I'm pretty sure it will stay for a long time, and it won't age bad like some trends do. So let's begin. To create a duotone effect, you need to use the gradient map tool. To create a gradient map, create a new fill or adjustment layer from the options below the layer menu and select gradient map. This will create a gradient map using your selected foreground and background color. The darkest point being your background color and the lightest point being your foreground color. Now it's easier if you just select the colors you want to use before creating gradient map, but you can adjust it later, so it doesn't matter. To adjust and modify the gradient map, double click on the gradient map. This will open the gradient map tool, and click on the slider. This will open the gradient editor. Once that's open, click on the color stops to modify them. For this, I'll be using my favorite color palette, gray and blue, and add the colors in the color stops. You can also slide the color stops, change their opacity, locations. The location being the light to shade location. So modify it. You can add more than two colors here, but that doesn't make it. If you add more than two colors, it doesn't stay a duotone. But as I said, you can modify and play with it. For me, I'll keep it that way. So this is how you create a duotone effect in Photoshop. Now you can change its blending mode depending on your requirement, play with it, add other elements, and keep adjusting till you find that you have reached a part where your composition is where you wanted it to be. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks folks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know about your thoughts, suggestions, etc. in the comment section. Hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I post more videos. And flex your knowledge by sharing it with your friends. Support me by downloading my stock elements, vectors, clips, photos from my Photoshop and Shutterstock account. Follow me on other social media, especially in Instagram. All the links in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching. See ya. Keep creating and stay above the ground. Bye bye.